Hey y'all, I'm back with a quick and easy lunch recipe. I'll be making this buffalo chicken ranch wrap, so let's get right into it. Starting off with a couple chicken tenders that have been cleaned, and I'm seasoning them up with this ranch seasoning, garlic powder, pepper, paprika, and then I'm also going to add some of this Frank's garlic buffalo sauce as well. Then I pop those in the air fryer on 375 for about 10 minutes or so. So like a lot of y'all, I'm trying to unbig my bag for the summer too. So I'm going to be using this carb balanced spinach herb wrap. It's only 60 calories. And groceries cost too much to be letting produce go bad. So I'm going to be using this leftover salad from the night before. Then once my chicken is finished cooking, I roughly chop it and add it on top of the lettuce. I also had a little leftover ranch from Wingstop in my fridge, so I drizzled that on top because I don't let nothing go to waste around here. And then I'm just going to wrap that up. My wrapping skills suck, but y'all get the point. I cut it in half and that was it. Aside from letting the chicken thaw, this took no more than 15 minutes to prepare. It tasted real good. It would have been better with some chips, but again, the back. All right, y'all, bye.